Hi, I'm Anna. Welcome to What to Say. Do you know what to say when you make suggestions? Listen out for useful language for making suggestions. Then, we'll practice saying the new phrases. After this.
Okay, this time, let's focus. Phones off.
Yes, and in my bag.
Ready?
I'm ready.
We have half an hour.
Okay, let's go.
How about starting with social media?
Sure. Engagement is up 15% this month.
Good. So let's go for 20% for next month.
Yeah, sure. I'll tell the team. We'll need some extra help to make it work.
Agreed. Good idea. Why don't you ask Vanya to help you create a new social media plan?
Okay, no problem. Shall we present it at the next team meeting together?
Good plan. Can you let Paul see it first?
Sure. I'll do that.
Anything else?
No? That's it?
And that's half an hour. We did it.
We're really good at this.
Hello again. Wow, that was a good meeting. So, did you notice the useful phrases used for making suggestions? Listen to me and then repeat. Let's focus. Let's focus. How about starting with social media? How about starting with social media? Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure. We'll need some extra help. We'll need some extra help. Agreed. Good idea. Agreed. Good idea. Why don't you ask Vanya? Why don't you ask Vanya? Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem. Shall we present it at the meeting? Shall we present it at the meeting? Good plan. Good plan. Try and use some of these phrases the next time you make suggestions in English. Bye for now.